Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper on your Android 10 device. In this case, I have my Google Pixel 2 XL in front of me, and currently I have this live wallpaper showing the earth, and obviously this is not the default when you install Android 10 on your device. So to change it, just tap and long tap on your home screen and tap wallpaper. So in here you have your living universe, which I highly recommend. These have slight animations, the subtle animations that you can choose from. So the default when you install Android 10 is this one. So what you can see, you can have a preview. And then if you like it, because there's a calming scene of a beach, you can tap set wallpaper, and there you go. So just long tap wallpapers, choose from other categories. So you can have this one and tap it, and then if you like it, you can just set wallpaper. You can also set it as a lock screen wallpaper, or home screen and a lock screen. So home screen is when you when you unlock your phone, you have your home screen, and if you want to apply it only to the lock screen, then you can just simply tap lock screen. So when you lock your phone, there you go, and then your home screen will have a different wallpaper. So that's it. It's that simple. So if you like this DIY tips and tricks video, you can subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center, or call us if you want to have your smartphone fixed. Till next time guys, cheers.